Alright, so just moving into a new house. Just barely got my car inside here. Got the beer fridge right here. Just a whole bunch of extra boxes. You get a shed for this stuff. But really, this is all about the Z. So it's a 2-car garage. Hopefully, I can get this stuff organized and get this Z actually repaired. My toolbox is right there. Got the other toolbox and also my old toolbox. Got my old rims for my Sonic. So this is it. Car fits nicely inside. Spare tires. Empty storage right now. Toolbox, toolbox, toolbox. Shelves. Beer fridge and TV. These shelves are pretty easy to put together. They're just cinder blocks and plywood. I gained all that space right here. And then this is all like shed stuff, storage and decorations. Did this in about half a day plus. It's awesome. I think tomorrow my plan is to get this done and basically shrink all this over to the right to where it's just at the table. A lot of these boxes can go through and organize. Those are empty. That's my transmission, radiator, differential half shafts, differential jacks. It's like my drain bucket stuff. And then the rest, that's drinks for the fridge. Pretty happy with the way it came out. It's empty. It's a little bit of trash in there. And I got some more storage containers. Christmas tree is probably the biggest thing right now. And snowblower, lawnmower, and bike. Then I have to get shelves up for these. Probably gonna go up right around there and right there. It's gonna be awesome. Just one day is all it takes. So, cleaned up a lot with the shelves and counters. These are pretty good. They're drilled right into the studs. I got my extra parts up there. Have my toolbox, bigger toolbox, medium-sized toolbox. These I still need to fill up. I put my bicycle up on the wall. Have the tire off so it's flatter. My extra tires. And pretty much have the second bay opened up. I just used my snowblower at my lawnmower underneath my jacket, and also my inflatable hot tub is underneath this table right here. All these, except for my car stuff and outdoor pillows, that's pretty much all trash on top of the table. And right here is trash as well. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. Just have to move this table inside the house, and then this whole bay will be opened up. Still need to do a couple more things, like organize the toolbox and a couple other things. I'm gonna be putting racks right here. This is a Rubbermaid fast rack. Basically, it's like shelves, but instead of having a vertical, it's just a horizontal into studs. So basically, like, they have a thing that clips into the top of that. So once I actually start condensing stuff down, like right here I have house stuff, old car parts, new car parts, like oil filters, gaskets. I have my drain pan, jacking up stuff, and like what do we call it, just stands. I have my transmission differential, half shafts, stuff like that, gas cans, some more car parts. Right here is like my spare stuff. Nice heater, definitely need that. So yeah, pretty much done. Just a little bit left to go. Hopefully I don't take too long doing that last 5%. Then it's on to actually working on this car. I already got my first house project right here. It's really squeaky and it doesn't actually stay inside the drawer rails. So that's my first project for the house. Then I have this pile of bolts. Ooh, definitely need that. And this is like actual products I can use, like rope, hoses, electrical stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Chemicals up there. I need to use this for the bolts right there. Just last finishing touches pretty much. And I mounted, let's see if I can do it. Just pull this and I got it. So yeah, it's coming along.